A dynamite explosion struck the Secretariat of the Action People's Party (APP), located in the GRA area of Port Harcourt, the Rivers State capital, early Monday morning. The attack reportedly took place around 1 a.m. when Assailants threw what is believed to be dynamite into the building, causing extensive damage. Windows, doors, ceilings, and other property were destroyed. The incident came amidst rumors that Rivers State Governor Sim Fubara might leave the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and join the APP following reported tensions with his predecessor, Nyesom Wike. A party official who requested anonymity described the attack as politically motivated, attributing it to the APP rapid growth in the state. He called on the police to investigate and apprehend those who are responsible. When contacted, the spokesman for the State Police Command, Grace Irege Okoko, said she was not yet aware of the incident but promised to investigate further. It was thanks for the much enemy of Fubara for bombing. You people have helped us publicize the party so that we are now aware to welcome the party to Fubara and his followers. They have made another mistake. They are known for making mistakes every time. Fubara will continue to thrive on their mistake. These are comments from people. And there's another one here that says, "You have believed in enemies. Chai, too many baby politicians. I love that word, publicize. And that is what they want to achieve by doing so. Anyhow you look at it, if there are no enemies and opposition, there won't be advancement. And the APP party will not be known. So let the enemy continue. The new party will continue to gain recognition. Then stop destroying the party you want to join just to get sympathy from people." That is someone's comment. There is another comment here that says, "Who deliberately bombed the State House of Assembly? Who reported a bomb blast at hotel in Port Harcourt, a selective bomb which only caught hand instead of blowing the people into pieces? It is the same people that is responsible for the recent report bomb blast near a party office, with the first thinking that it may arouse sympathy of the Rivers people for him. He missed it. The people are more intelligent, wiser to district than it is handiwork of Sim Fubara and his cohort." Another comment says, "You people are making us see the opponent of Fubara as terrorists. And that is what you guys are. Why all this explosion? This is enough to attract sympathy towards Fubara. And now that he is with the people, God will not abandon him. Wike is finished. There is nothing Wike cannot do because of power tell me which court in Nigeria Wike have stand for since body since somebody, yet he is answering lawyer. Another comment here says no one should blame Wike for whatever reason. Yes. Well, the issue of bomb blast in Port Harcourt is becoming rampant. I think it has to be brought to a check before it gets out of hand. Dear listeners, we have come to the end of this news. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Share this for your loved ones to follow up. And subscribe to this channel for more updates. God bless you.